This video is a continuation of a series demonstrating key development features of the PLM Viz Web Toolkit. Check out the previous videos in the series to get started. PVW provides a collection of API used to embed visualization into web applications. The toolkit allows developers to focus on specific solution logic by simplifying complex graphics programming. In this video, we'll be demonstrating the measurement and dimension features of PVW. Measurement is a class of PVW that provides APIs to perform basic measurement computations on a variety of different geometric shapes. We'll start the demonstration by enabling the distance measurement mode and creating a measurement. There are several different measurement modes that PVW provides. These modes are used to calculate different types of measurements depending on the selected entity. Some measurement types are non-precise and data-dependent. Using data with mathematical descriptions for surfaces and curves, like JT with STT, will yield the most accurate PVW computed measurements. Changing the measurement mode will yield different behaviors and results depending on what a user selects in the viewer. For instance, selecting a curved surface while the radius measurement mode is enabled will yield different results than selecting the same curved surface while the area measurement mode is enabled. Measurement provides two additional measurement modes for users called single and double. These modes are contextual, meaning the measurement mode will be determined based on what entities are picked. Single mode performs measurement operations on a single entity, while double mode requires two entities. The toolkit allows users to specify a picking mode, which filters the types of objects that can be used for measurement. If we set our picking mode to edge, only the edge entities in our model can be picked for a measurement operation. Similarly, if our picking mode is set to vertices, only the vertex entities in our model can be picked for a measurement. Users of your application may want to change the measurement units displayed in measurement results, which can be achieved by changing the unit property of measurement like so. The PVW toolkit also provides support for using an external library or service to compute measurement results. For more information on using external services with PVW, check out the PVW documentation. The toolkit also provides the dimension class, which is used to create in-scene annotations that will display the results of our measurement computations. Dimension allows developers to create several types of annotations, such as angular, linear, note, and radial. Dimensions are interactive and can be dragged in the viewer. There are many options to configure how dimensions are displayed. A significant one is the flat-to-screen property, which is false by default. Setting it to true will change the measurement result style to the following. Another popular option is changing the default dimension colors. Again, we will change the corresponding defaults property values like so. Measurement will be an invaluable feature of your web application. For more examples and information on measurement and dimension, refer to the PVW documentation.